I'm Khushi Arora from an applied psychology background. Currently, I'm pursuing a PGDM course from FORE School of Management in International Business and Human Resources. I secured a PPO, which is a pre-placement offer from Deloitte USI in Human Capital, Organizational Transformation and Consulting role. I personally feel that my strategic alignment to the course and to the role really helped me. Like when I started doing my internship, I realized that I am able to align my expertise to the role very well. So I worked really diligently towards it. And besides that, things like cultural fit, adding value to each of my deliverable, and having good networks at the workplace also helped me. I would personally say that during your interviews, just align your resume and your plus points very well with the organization's aim and what they actually are looking for. Be very confident and open, and just share proper and trustworthy resources with them, and try to play with your strengths more and cover your weaknesses with your strengths. I personally feel that FORE had a huge role in me being able to secure this PPO, because the course is designed in IB and HR. All the knowledge and skill sets that I gained, that were very easily transferable to my personal role at Deloitte, and core concepts which I learned, like organizational behavior and human resource management, cultural differences and cross-cultural management, these skills were very impactful on me and influenced me for achieving my goals at work. Thank you so much for FORE for providing me with this opportunity to gain this experience and to gain this PPO offer.